For this video, we are going to create a title statement within the file description. As a reminder, the only information included here is the bibliographic information about the encoded work, with the exception of the title, author, and illustrator information that will come from the source. So let's go ahead and open up a TEI document in Oxygen, click this white page icon, then scroll down to TEI P5 and click the All and then Create button. As you see, you have a baseline TEI structure. We are only going to focus on the title statement here, and since we already have a title element, we need to add the author, illustrator, and encoder elements below. So go ahead and hit Enter and put in a greater than symbol. You'll see a pop-up menu. One way to navigate this menu is to double-click the element that you want, and in this case we want author. Within the author, since we want to be more specific, we know it's a personal name and we can put their first and last name. So first do a greater than symbol and you're going to look for personal name, and another way to navigate this pop-up menu is to type the first few letters of the element. So let's go ahead and type PER and you'll see the element appear and hit Enter. Within this, you're going to add the first and last name, that is the forename and surname. And go ahead and hit your greater than symbol and type in forename, and then also add surname below that. Next, we need to do the illustrator information. Since we don't have a specific element for that, we are going to use a responsibility statement, and then within that we're going to have a statement element and then the elements to do for their name. So go ahead and put a greater than symbol and you're going to look for RESP, responsibility statement, hit Enter. And then within that, we are going to add the statement, which is RESP, and hit Enter. And then below that, we are going to add the name of the illustrator. Since we are using the same elements we used above for the author element, go ahead and highlight that personal name grouping, copy it, and then paste it below. Lastly, we are going to put the encoder information. We are also going to use the responsibility statement element here with the sub-elements we put above for the illustrator. Go ahead and highlight the responsibility statement grouping, copy that, and paste it below. Since we have 3 encoders, we need 2 more groupings of the personal names, so go ahead and highlight that, hit Enter, and then paste it twice below. This concludes our creation of the title statement. We will be stopping the video so you can add the bibliographic information you found on the exercise scenario and add it into the correct elements we just created. This is the end of our video. The next video will be covering the creation of the addition statement and publication statement in the file description.